Hey, what's up, internet, Bronco world? It's the guys here from Fast Intentions. I'm Tony and this is Dan. Today we're gonna show you how to remove your soft top on the 2021 Bronco. Behind me I have our 2021 Bronco Badlands. We're gonna get after it right now.
Tools needed. Pop the two clips holding the top in place, located directly above the visors. Fold the top back. Be sure to place the clips back into the stowed position as you fold back. Along the top of the rear windows, separate the Velcro. Unclip the tops of the rear side windows. There are multiple clips per side. Each rear window will fold back towards you once unobstructed on top. Slide from back to forward along the track in the groove on bottom. Open the rear tailgate to create space. Pull the canopy away from the top on the rear. Unclip the rear window. Multiple clips again. Pull the rear window away from the edges of the stowed position on top. This may require a little bit of force as you need to give it a little bit of a tug. The top of the window should pop right out. The edges, corners of the windows should fold towards you. The window will now slide out on the track from the right to the left.
Quick little side note, in the event that you've run across these in your new Bronco, these two Velcro straps in your glove box in the back, what they're specifically for is in the event that you want to do some off-roading with the top open as you currently see it. These straps will actually hold the top in place so it's not flopping around. I'm going to demonstrate how to install them. Doable from outside the vehicle, however easier from inside. There's an Allen bolt here that you're going to see from the inside. You're going to want to go aft of that or behind it. Feed the strap down. Loop it underneath the support that runs north to south, front to back. Pull it nice and snug, and it'll stay in place. And what this is going to do is this is going to prevent your top from flopping around when you're off-road, jumping, ripping through the desert.
Push the tab on the driver's side midsection. Fold the canopy back into a stowed position. Ensure to lock on driver and passenger side. Located in the rear of the vehicle, directly behind the back seats, are two plastic side panels. Remove the two panels carefully. Pull them away evenly, ensuring you do not break the tabs holding them on. You now gained access to the anchor points to remove the rear top. There's three 13mm head bolts per side. Option to remove them all by hand or break the torque loose with the 3/8 drive ratchet socket and extension, and then finish the job with the electric gun. Ensure you do not drop any of the bolts down inside of the plastic housing. Drape your blankets over your seat pillars to ensure protection of the paint as you remove the top. Located in the back of the vehicle, directly below the rear section of the top, are two tabs. Push them up to release the back of the top. Lift the top straight up as high as you can extend to clear the bracketry of the seat pillars and the back of the vehicle.
Well, there you have it. 2021 Bronco soft top removal from beginning to end. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell if you haven't done all those things already. Make sure to check out Initial Impressions Part 1. We're gonna put the link for the description below. Stay tuned to what we got going on. We got a lot of new product coming for this platform. I'm gonna get after it right now. I wanna drive this thing while the sun's still up. No top, California weather. Let's get after it. Let's have a good time. Well, you laughed, so I started laughing. I know.
I wasn't expecting you to say
I wasn't expecting to say convertible. Oh, that could be a cool little outtake. Oh, that's funny.